a song. The international song is Happy Birthday, but if you would like to wish whatever song you would like to hum, you can. Please understand, not singing. You just hum. Okay, it's just for a second. See, this whole thing takes long to explain, but when you really do it, it takes hardly about a minute, 2 minutes, maximum 3 minutes. Alright? Then you sing a song, you hum a song and you say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again you hum a song and you go back to the first sequence of starting with the eyebrows. So anybody, any questions? Have you all understood? That is more when you can do it, then we have the shoulders and then we have but that comes in the second level. If you have known about it, please do it. It's also very good. Okay? No, it's not right side. The right side is the liver, left side is the spleen, all that is we know. But we are talking about the point where the toxins are accumulated. So the toxins are accumulated. See, I am taught this. So I'm teaching it to you and it has worked for me. And it has worked for all my patients. So hence I am very sure that this happens. Thank you. So it's very, very powerful. It's be with your emotions, be with your statement of what you want to make. Your affirmation is very, very important. Okay, once you start getting it, then we will be able to teach you much more and much more. But I have had a patient who was when I first started, she was paralytic and I had a very small little clinic at Churchgate and she used to stay upstairs. So her daughter came and said, please, my mother's alone, please go and help her. And I went and helped her. And she used to have a maid who used to imitate me sitting at the back. So one day she told me, Bhai, I'll tell you a confession, so you won't get angry and you won't tell the other Didi. I said, no, what did you do? I thought she did something to the patient, So she says, I've been imitating you. Every time you do like that, even I do like that. And I used to have pain in my leg and in my back and it's gone. So what I'm trying to say is that if that lady could do it even without an affirmation, without just that belief that it's going to go out, because she knew I was doing it with her mistress, that powerful it is. And as you learn it more and more and more, you can also surrogate for people. It is so fantastic. I have helped people over the phone too. My patients, I have some of my patients who ask me to do it on the phone for them. So please understand, don't expect it to be done overnight because you have to learn it. Like even when you learned ABCD, it took you a year to learn it because you were in that little class and then you went from one class to the other class. So it's persistence. It's like just keep on doing it. It's not right or wrong. Like suppose sometimes some people phone me up and say, oh, no, I did this, but then I went straight to this. Please do it. Go back to what you are, because we need to keep to the system. But if you feel that you want to do this more or you want to do this more, afterwards I'm talking about later on when you're perfect in it, then the body, because the body has its own wisdom. The body speaks. The trouble is we do not listen to our body. We don't have time for our body. So actually the body is telling you go here, go there, this. That's the way you will develop it better and better and better. Okay? Any questions? Yeah, I'll tell you. You say the affirmation is like we'll start. So shall we take one, instead of taking individual, shall we just take one simple one? So what are let's say the maximum. Who is angry? Who all are angry? Okay, no. Who?
We're all angry. All of us angry at something.
Yeah, so... Resentment. Okay, anybody...
Anger is very common, no? Because
yeah.
Somewhere you get angry with the politicians.
Yeah, even with the people in the house.
Yeah, right.
And
this is the corruption going on. So they are all angry with it.
That's right. So let's do it with anger. So shall we just do it with anger? Are you all for it? No, so we take one. No, please understand. We have...
No, but we can take our own individual anger.
Yeah, you can on. And remember, this individual self is like an onion. You know, you'll feel like when you're saying, even though I'm angry with my mother and she hit me, I deeply and completely love, approve. And suddenly when you're doing it, you'll say, no, I'm not angry. I'm irritated with her. But complete the anger and then start irritation. You have to complete one emotion. You can't go from one emotion jumping to the other emotion. You complete each and every emotion of yours, please. Okay? Like I can hate you also, and I can be resentful for you also, and I can be irritated about you also. I can be all the things with you, right? So everything I need to do with is individually.
But sometimes we have mixed emotions.
Yeah, so finish.
You can also have love at the same time. It's so
yeah, but
somebody who's very close can.
Yeah, so even though I have an hate-love relationship with my XYZ, I deeply and completely love, approve, and accept. Because that love could be actually, when you say it's hate love, it's not love. It is actually asking for attention, the insecurity. You know? It could be possessiveness also. Like I love my wife so much, but she cannot talk to another man. So there is something in it. Please understand, we are dealing with emotions and the mind. We're not dealing with healthy people. This is unhealthy, no? We're removing all the toxins from our body. So I'm not going to tell you that I have a love-hate relationship with you, because you'll say, what is love-hate? If you love somebody, then it's pure love. Then you cannot hate. So it's this has happened before, so I know about it. So it's not love actually. The truth is that it is a lot of other things. It could be resentfulness, insecurity, self-esteem, low self-confidence. It can have a lot of stuff. A lot of garbage will come out because a lot of toxins are going to come out of your body. Okay, so let's do it with anger, all of us, all right? So we start with the sore spot. Even though I am angry with whoever you want to say, I deeply and completely love, approve, and accept myself. So we'll say it again. 3 times you need to say it. Even though I am angry, I deeply and completely love, approve, and accept myself. So this is what we did. Now come back to your karate chop. Now when you finish with your sore spot, this is the first and the last time you'll do it. Unless you're taking up another emotion. If you take up another emotion, then it is something that you have to work with again. Like I'm angry, now I'm taking up hatred. So then I'll do hatred. Okay? So then we come here to the karate chop. Even though I'm angry, I deeply and completely love, approve, and accept myself. Even though I'm angry, try and close your eyes, please. Even though I'm angry, I deeply and completely love, approve, and accept myself. Even though I'm angry, and you know what you have to say, I deeply and completely love, approve, and accept myself. Okay, this is the way we're going to do it. Have you all understood? Now, the most important thing, which I'm sorry I forgot, is that you have to measure how angry are we with that issue. At the scale of 1 to 10, where are you? So some people can be 10 and plus 10. And some people can be just on 3 or 2. Now how will you come to know? When you have closed your eyes and you'll bring out the emotion of that anger. You've got to bring out the emotion because you've got to throw it out. So just now, no, none of you are angry. But you'll want to work with that particular anger. So bring that issue out. Bring it to your mind that you are angry about that. So let it come out. So when you close your eyes, you'll come to know how angry are you. So close your eyes, bring that issue up, and please tell yourself mentally, how angry are you? Got it? At the scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the highest anger and 1 being the lowest anger. So how angry are you? Got it? All of you got it? All you all got your numbers? Okay, so let's say, again start with the karate chop. Even though I'm angry, I deeply and completely love, approve and accept myself. Even though I'm angry, I deeply and completely love, approve and accept myself. Even though I'm angry, I deeply and completely love, approve and accept myself. This is the sequence. Now when we have the remainder phrase. And the remainder phrase is angry, 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 angry. Just tap your eyebrows 3 or 4 times. Come to the side of your eye, angry, 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 angry. Come to the below your eyes, angry, angry, angry. Come below your nose, angry, angry, angry. Below your nose, angry, angry. Below your chin, above your chin, below your lip, angry, angry, angry. Collarbone, angry, angry, angry. Underneath the armpit, angry, angry, angry. Either the spleen or the angry, 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 angry. Come to the thumb, angry, 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 angry. Come to the forefinger, angry, angry. The middle finger, angry, angry. The little finger, angry, angry. Come to the gommet, angry, angry, angry. Open your eyes, look up. Don't shake your heads, look down. No shaking heads. Look far down right. Look far down left. Take your finger if you want, you can do that. Now rotate and look at the point of your finger and rotate your eyes. No shaking your head. That's right. Now take the reverse. Very good. Close your eyes and hum a song, any song. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again hum a song. Come back to your eyebrow. Again say. Hatred, 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 anger, 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 again side of the eyes, anger, 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 below the eyes, anger, 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 below the nose, anger, 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 your chin, anger, 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 your collarbone, anger, 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 below your armpit, anger, 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 your spleen, anger, 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 your thumb, anger, 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 your forefinger, anger, anger, your middle finger, anger, anger, your little finger, anger, and come back to your karate chop. Please keep your eyes closed and tell me now, where are you between 1 to 10? Have you reduced? Where do you feel? The first number, see, don't analyze, please. In this sort of energy work, you do not analyze. The first number that comes up will be the right number. Have you got the number? Did you get the number? Yes? So has it lowered from 1 to 10? Did it go up? It lowered. Anybody who went up, it's natural, huh? Please don't worry. Everybody doesn't have to have the same. We are all individuals. So anybody went up? Like anybody stayed at the number they were on when they first started? You're in the same number. So even though, then you say, even though I am yet at the same number and I'm yet angry, and I do not know why I'm angry, I deeply and completely love, approve and accept myself. And bring it down. You understood? Everybody understood this? This is very important. The reminder phrase is extremely, extremely important. What is the reminder phrase? Is that particular emotion. Then when you are stuck on a particular number, then you need. So even though I am still angry, I deeply and completely love, and go through the whole circle. After that you are yet angry. So I'm still yet angry. So the remainder phrase will be still yet angry. Till you come to 0. And even when you come to 0, you will say, even though I am 0 and I'm very comfortable now, I deeply and completely love, approve and accept myself. This completion is extremely important. Do not leave your work incomplete. When we leave, if suppose there is some emergency and you have to go answer the phone or the doorbell, which is natural, please go and do it. But please have a completion till you come to 0. Very many times I tell all my clients to do this in the night before they go to sleep, especially people who are suffering from insomnia. It's extremely powerful. So while they're doing it only, they say, but we go to sleep. I say, very good. But in the morning when you finish, then at least complete it. That like a completion is very important in every work of life. That's very, very important for us to know. Okay? So completed, and that's the way it is. Any questions now?